Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to upload music on Spotify. So, for uploading your music, you have to work with a distribution company like this, CD Baby or TuneCore, or in this DistroKid uh, distribution company. So this distribution company will help you to deliver your music uh, to the Spotify section. So, otherwise, if you want to add your local music on the Spotify, just all you need to do is go for this gear option, then scroll down at the bottom. You can see here is the local files option. Just turn it on and go for your library option and refresh it. Okay, so you can see here is the local files option and your all local files are here. You can play it from here. So this is how you can upload music on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.